This is full of honey.
Oops. Shoot. That's not supposed to happen.
So this will be good for them.
Oh my god.
Well, let's just do that. Okay. Now, remove the feed can and the queen cage. They're hard to see inside this box, but they're in there. There's a handful of dead ones on the bottom, but that's all. There are not that many dead ones.
They'll clean up.
Wow.
They've been in this cage for almost a week now. Well, at least since Saturday. They mailed them on Saturday, so they've probably been in this cage for a couple days in addition to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, squeeze it hard. Yeah. Just one squeeze per
Quadrant.
That's good. Yeah, per quadrant. That's good. Okay. So,
At first to drop them to the bottom.
no, that's the next step.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Now they're probably going to fly around, but they're really not going to go anywhere. They'll orient, and,
Yeah.
then they'll come back.
Yeah.
Here,
Okay.
and she's alive.
Hey, that's ideal.
Can you see her in there?
Yes. Yes, you can, actually.
And these are her attendants. They're feeding her through the cage.
Wow.
Okay, so we'll set her outside here, out of the sun. Okay. Now we're going to dump these in.
Okay.
You can let go.
Okay, I'll let go.
Thank you. Look at all these bees!
Eureka!
Okay, we're going to dump all these guys in.
Holy moly.
There they go.
Wow. Welcome.
Okay. And we're going to set this in the front here, and they'll just find their way in.
Oh, very good.
Because the queen's going to be in here. Okay, what's this goes towards the front, huh? Okay.
You ready for me to squeeze?
Yeah, you can do that. You could use the Hive tool too. That's good. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Now, is there room to put the food on?
Yeah, let me push it down just a little bit more. Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Will that impede the food that we're going to put on top?
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Not much.
There you
Move out of the way, girls.
go. On it?
They'll move. They'll move. It's going really slow. Okay. Inner cover, outer cover, and we're done. Okay. The top. And
Forward or backward? Back, we're sealing it up.
yeah. Okay, and oh, you got the introducer? We're done.
Cool.
Hey, good job.
We have bees!
We got
Yay.
bees. All right, we got bees. Yay!
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hannah.
Yeah.
This is